The Yamaha RX 100 is an iconic name in the world of motorcycles, and after decades of absence, the 2025 version marks the return of this legendary two-stroke bike. The RX 100 was once a favorite for its thrilling performance, lightweight design, and unmatched agility. In 2025, Yamaha brings the RX 100 back with a modern twist, combining its nostalgic appeal with contemporary technology and style. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the 2025 Yamaha RX 100, exploring its design, performance, and features that are bound to captivate motorcycle enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha RX 100 retains the unmistakable design DNA that made the original model so popular. The sleek, minimalist body continues to exude a retro vibe, with the familiar round headlamp, clean lines, and compact form that make the RX 100 a visual treat for purists. However, Yamaha has updated the design with a more refined finish and modern touches, including a sharper fuel tank, updated graphics, and a more angular tail section. Engine and performance. The 2025 Yamaha RX 100 is powered by a refined 99 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine, staying true to the original's engine configuration while adhering to modern emission standards. This engine has been carefully tuned to provide an exciting ride with a crisp throttle response, offering a balance of power and efficiency. The power output is expected to hover around 11 to 12 brake horsepower, which is more than enough to deliver a thrilling experience while ensuring the bike remains practical for everyday use. Handling and ride quality. One of the defining traits of the original Yamaha RX 100 was its nimble handling, and the 2025 version carries that legacy forward. The lightweight frame, combined with updated suspension components, ensures a ride that is both responsive and comfortable. The front features telescopic forks, while the rear is equipped with twin shock absorbers, providing a balance of comfort and stability even on rough city streets. The low seat height and compact design of the 2025 RX 100 make it easy to maneuver in tight traffic, while the bike's narrow profile helps it cut through crowded urban environments with ease. Whether navigating through city streets or cruising on the open road, the RX 100's agility makes it a fun and practical choice for daily commuting. The bike's low curb weight also makes it accessible to a wider range of riders, particularly beginners and those looking for a light, approachable motorcycle. Technology and features. While the 2025 RX 100 stays true to its classic roots, Yamaha has incorporated some modern technological updates to enhance the overall riding experience. The bike is equipped with an all-new digital analog instrument cluster, offering riders essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip data in a sleek and user-friendly format. The updated cluster gives the bike a more modern feel without losing the retro charm. The inclusion of LED lighting for Th.